Namaste students. In today's class we are going to learn about comparison of numbers. You know what is comparison of numbers? How can we compare the numbers using the symbols greater than, lesser than and also the equal to symbol. Here we are going to compare the largest numbers, that is the large numbers. When we go for the comparison in numbers, the first step should be to check the number of digits in a number. In one number if we have 5 digits, in another number if we have 4 digits, then the 5 digit numbers can be a big number, that is a greater number. But if we have the same number of digits, then what can we do? Here just see with the example. In the first example we have 6 numbers in both the numbers. Then if we have the same number of digits in all the numbers, then we can start a comparison. Start from the left side of the number, that is the topmost value, that is the topmost place value we're going to check first. Then we'll go one by one. When we check the last number, that is the first number, in lakhs place, it is 5 in first number, then it is 4 in the second number. If I compare 5 with the 4, 5 is a greater number, so we can easily say the first number is a greater number. Then when we go for the second example, in the second example first number has 6 numbers and the second number also has 6 numbers, but in lakhs place we have the same number 7. So if we have the same number as a first value, then we go for the next place to check whether it is a greater number or the smallest number. When we go for the second place, in the first number we have number 6 and the second number we have the number 8. So comparatively 8 is a greater number, so we can easily say the second number is a greater number. Likewise, in the third example we have the first two numbers same in both the numbers, then we can check the third number, that is 9 is greater than 7, so we can say that the first number is a greater number. So likewise we can do the comparison in numbers. So first you should start your comparison from the leftmost side of the number. If the numbers are same, then you can go further the next number. If those numbers also same, then you go for the next place. Likewise we can further go in the numbers to check whether the first number is greater or second number is greater. When you meet the greater number, then you can finalize that the greater number. Then we go for ascending and descending order. Ascending order is nothing but we're going to arrange the numbers from small to big. Likewise descending order, big to small. So ascending and descending order, here I have given you one example. In these I have 4 numbers. I already told you when you compare the numbers, you must check the first step, like a number of digits in a number. If number of digits is lesser, then that number will be a smaller number. So in ascending order we are going to arrange our numbers from small to big. So we are going to check whether which number is smaller, that we are going to write it first. So we are going to find the smallest number. So for this I am going to count the number of digits in each number first. So when I do that, I'll find that second number and fourth number has only 4 digits. So these two numbers are smaller than other two numbers. So when I check with these two numbers, the second number is smallest, so I going to write that number as first. Then the next number is 8432. Then in step 2, other two numbers I going to check, both the numbers has 5 digits. So when I check compare these two numbers, the first number is lesser than the third number. So 23,675 will comes as a third number. Then the finally I going to write 60,000. So for ascending order for these numbers, the answer will be like 3,456, 8,432, 23,675 and 60,000 finally. Then how can we do the descending order? What we did for ascending order, the reverse we going to do for descending order. In ascending order we have arranged our numbers from small to big. In descending order we going to arrange the numbers from big to small. So for this we going to search the greatest number first. So what I told you before, like the same first step, you should check the number of digits in a number. If any number has more digits than others, then that will be the first number in descending order. Then if we have same number of digits in other number, then you can check one number by another number, then the next number by another one number. Likewise it will be goes on. Then you finalize the greatest number, then you can write. So the descending order for these numbers can be like 1,40,456, 32,445, 23,445, 5,430. So here I have given you some exercises and I already done something. Then the remaining you going to do as your assignment. Fill in the correct symbol lesser than or greater than. Then what I told you before, like the same, you're going to compare the given numbers, then you're going to put the correct symbol in the circles given. Second question, ring the greatest number each. Here also you're going to compare the given three numbers. If you find the greatest number from these three, then you're going to circle the number. Two sums I already done for you, the remaining two sums you can do. Then the third question, ring the smallest number in each. So here we are going to circle the number smallest from the given. Then arrange in ascending order, arrange in descending order. How I arrange the first sum, like the same you're going to arrange the remaining two sums. Ascending order, I told you before that you're going to arrange the numbers from small to big. In descending order you're going to arrange the numbers from big to small. So like that you can do your sums given in the exercise. Then the concept can be clear. Thank you, children.